Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Typeform to qualify leads for your sales pipeline step by step clearly. To enable Typeform to qualify leads for your sales pipeline, start by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Typeform website. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new Typeform. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Design your Typeform by adding introductory questions that introduce your offering. Include qualifying questions focused on demographics, budget, and needs. Make sure to offer multiple choice answers for easier data analysis. Incorporate logic jumps to tailor the experience based on user responses. This ensures participants only see relevant questions. Utilize the Connect tab to link your Typeform to other tools like CRM software. Set up integrations with platforms such as Zapier or HubSpot to automate lead transfer. Test your Typeform by previewing it to ensure it flows smoothly. Once satisfied, publish your Typeform to make it live for potential leads. Share the Typeform link across your marketing channels to attract responses. Monitor the responses in your Typeform dashboard. Analyze the collected data to identify qualified leads. Use the insights gained to refine your lead qualification process over time. This will help enhance your sales pipeline efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step